Hello everyone, me llamo Hope, and for my project I am making a dessert from Peru. Su nombre es Suspiro de Limeña. Suspiro de Limeña es de Lima, Perú. La comida es muy deliciosa y rica, pero es mala para la salud. Tienes muchas calorías. La Europa influenció la Suspiro de Limeña. Suspiro de Limeña was inspired by a dessert called Major Blanco and came down to the Spanish countries when the Spaniards brought Europe's culture to South America. So for our first step, we're going to combine condensed milk with our evaporated milk in a saucepan and let it simmer on low heat, which can be from 1 to 3. We're gonna pour the whole evaporated milk into the pan. We're gonna pour the whole condensed milk. Más leches to the pan para 40 minutes. Now it has been 40 minutos, and we're going to turn off the heat and add the vanilla. Once we've moved it aside, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to separate los huevos yolk and whites into separate bowls. Now we are going to whip our huevos yolk into our mix. This will thicken it so we can use it as our base. It's been 30 minutes since we've been stirring this. Keep cooking it until it gets more thicker, which is about 20 more minutes. Now, while my assistant is helping me, we are going to add 1 whole cup to the pan, this clean pan that we just washed. We're going to make our syrup. We're going to add ½ cup agua to the sugar on high heat. We're going to stir this for about 3 minutos. Now we have this whipped cream, and we whipped it for about like 10 minutes or so. So now that we finished cooking, we're going to put it in our containers. So we just finished putting our toppings on our first batch. Suspiro de Limeña is one of the most popular desserts in Lima, Peru, Peru's capital. Its first developments in Peru started in the 1818 Peru's cookbook that was under the name Royal Delight of Peru. The recipe we know today of Suspiro de Limeña first came by this young woman named Miss Azara and her husband. When Miss Yara was making the food in her home, her husband, upon tasting its sweet taste, decided to name it Soft and Sweet Sigh of a Woman, which roughly translates to Suspiro de Limeña. Suspiro means sigh, de means of, and Limeña means Lima, Peru's capital. Hello guys! It's time to eat! You have your piece and I have mine. Es muy delicioso. Cheers!